Introducing IQ, the Intelligent Rider Mower. With a 30-inch cut, the IQ will make short work of any lawn. It's clean, it's green, it's quiet. Our IQ with lithium-ion battery management provides intelligent, emission-free mowing in perfect harmony with the environment. Features include a powerful 72-volt lithium-ion battery, up to 90 minutes mowing on a single charge, and a back-to-base low battery warning system. Using the IQ has never been easier. Apply the brake, turn the key, select forward. Fingertip control blade engagement. Simply lift to engage and depress to disengage. Press the drive pedal and you're on your way. The 30-inch cutter deck with powerful twin brushless 800-watt motors gives a fine finish and minimises mowing time. The cutter deck can be used to discharge or mulch your grass. Flap down the deck mulches. For longer grass, simply lift the mulch flap and insert the side chute. No tools required. Key operating features of the IQ include push button forward and reverse, cruise control, LED lights, reverse mowing, 10 independent cutting heights, and fingertip seat adjustment. A combination of rack and pinion steering and a heavy-duty differential provide a tighter turning circle with no lawn scuffing. Perfect for garden beds, trees, and confined areas. IQ, the Intelligent Mower.